Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Chris. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate that. And y'all, today I'm going to share with y'all a few things that I got on my New York City trip. Now, I did do a full video of the New York City trip recently. You can see that if you look back just a couple of videos. So go ahead and check that out. It's a long video, but I did spend a lot of time editing it. So if you haven't checked that one out, y'all go ahead and check it out and give it a like if you will. Also, I did post my Lady Gaga video as well. It's the entire Lady Gaga concert from Madison Square Garden, the Mayhem Ball we just got back from. Y'all, that was the best concert I've ever been to, and I can't wait to maybe go see her again. But with that being said, I am going to show you some of the stuff that I got on my trip. I got a really cool bag from TJ Maxx, of all places. It's a skull bag, and it's really cute, Italian leather, black, really, really nice. And the Popmart Skullpanda Lazy Panda I'm going to unbox for y'all on this video will go perfect on that bag, I'm sure. So I can't wait to unbox that and show it to you. I'm excited to use it myself and see her. She's really beautiful. Before I do that though, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead while you're here, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on TikTok, and I post high quality images of a lot of the stuff that I review on Instagram. So definitely check that out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, y'all check out my beacon links. It's the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there and shopping links as well. So check that out. And lastly, if everybody could just take one moment to give this video a thumbs up for a like, it does help my channel to grow, and I appreciate y'all for doing that. Y'all, before I get started, I do want to say thanks, special thanks to my friend Flo. She has been with this channel since my last channel got deleted, and she's been with me all the way on this one. I do appreciate Flo. She's one of my top supporters, and we're friends now as well. So I talk to her pretty much every day. I know I've said that before, but she was very sweet to send me a few gifts here, and let me show you what she got me. She got me some Pride socks. This all came while I was gone on my trip, so these are really nice Pride socks. Thank you, Flo. I'll definitely be wearing those. And I love getting little gifts like this, so I appreciate it. And she got me some hand sanitizer called Wish, and it's Island Coconut. Now, all this stuff came from, I think, Five Below, so fairly inexpensive stuff, but y'all, this stuff is really nice. The hand sanitizer, oh, it smells so good. I love it. And then she got me these two little Pocket Pop keychains for Glinda and Elphaba. Y'all, look how cute they are. And they're little keychains, so I can use them as bag charms too. So thank you, Flo. I appreciate all of my little gifts, and I'm definitely going to use all of them. So thank you so much for sending that. I love the gifts. I'll have to send you something. I know you have a birthday coming up soon, but thank you, Flo. I do appreciate all my little gifts. I love all of them. Y'all, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I got on my New York City trip as well, in case you didn't see them on the other video. Then we're going to unbox that Skullpanda Lazy Panda. She's so cute. All right, so let me show you here. So let's start off with the bag that I got. This was the skull bag, and like I said, this came from TJ Maxx, y'all. I got a real great deal on it for about $120. I looked it up online, and it's about a $400 or $500 bag normally, but it was discounted because the strap was missing, and it's really cute. It has feet on the bottom, but just look, it's Italian leather, and it's got these skulls on it. I just think it's adorable. Let me show you the inside of it. It has a zipper pocket on the inside, and it smells so good. Nice leather. And I bought an organizer on the inside already there from Amazon to put everything in. So I got a black organizer, but really nice. It even has a zipper pocket there with a leather pull. So really, really cute and perfect for fall and Halloween coming up. But I just like it because it's got the skulls on it. So that's my little bag find I got. Now, also we stopped, I went by at the Chelsea market there, and we got a few things from the Men and Mon little booth they had set up there, and then we stumbled across the actual store later on. So let me show you the stuff I got from the Men and Mon store and from the market. So let's see, I'll show you the little keychain first. This came from the little booth they had set up at the market there in Chelsea. So if you're at the Chelsea market, check out Men and Mon's little booth. A cute little keychain here, and they have some really adorable little stuff, y'all, and very cute. It has a little attachment piece there with the Men and Mon on it, and then you have another little keychain attachment. So very nice, and it has the Men and Mon logo on the back. So Men and Mon has some really cute little stuff, and I love the little bag it came in. And then here is the other one I got here. This is a little pouch here, really cute, with the Empire State Building in New York on it, and the little eye and the heart. This is really nice leather too. This stuff is all made in Colombia. They design it. It's a wife and a husband, and then I think the brother-in-law was there as well. He was really nice and helped me out. And then there is the little keychain piece. Has a nice zipper with the blue little pull on it. The inside has this really nice interior too, and it has their little signature octopi in there, print on there in that blue color. So really cute little pouch, and you know, you could store like some AirPods or whatever you want down in there and attach it to your bag as a little bag charm. So some really cute little finds from Minimon. I just think they're adorable. All right, y'all, so that was my finds that I got from New York City. Just a few of them. I got some other t-shirts and stuff, but if you want to see all that, watch the past video. Now let's get on. We're gonna unbox this little Skullpanda, Lazy Panda pendant charm from Popmart, and she is so adorable. I got her off of StockX, y'all, if you can see down in the bag there, but let's get this plastic off of it and we're gonna unbox it here and I'll show it to you. I can't wait to use her. Now I do have a 9-pack blind box unboxing coming from Popmart of the new Skullpandas You Found Me line. So those are coming and I can't wait to unbox those for you as well. And of course I'll show you them on the channel, but they're really adorable. But these Skullpanda ones, y'all, they are really, really cute. I like these actually better than the Labubas. I think they're nicer, but here is the outside box here. Sorry about the glare, but there is the outside of the box. Really nice packaging on it. And she is really cute. I can't wait to get her out. She's kind of dark and mystical looking, but let's open up the box here and get her out. I've already cut this open so that we could get in there easily. But the packaging on these are really nice. They're a pretty big box too, because it's a fairly big size pendant. But let's slide her out here so we can really see her. Okay, and look, there she is. Look how cute. Look at the little face on her. And I love that she's a panda. On the back side of it, you'll see in a minute when I get all this wrapping off that it's an actual little panda bear on the back. So she is so adorable. Let me get all this packaging off of it and I'll show it to you. All right, y'all, I got all the packaging off the Skullpanda, Lazy Panda. Look how cute she is. I love her little face. I love the little haircut on it too. The little attachment piece here has a little piece of bamboo leaf on it, and it has Popmart on the tag there, and it's very, very cute. So I love the darker color metal on the ring as well. And let me just show you the back side of it there, but there is the front side of it. She's really cute. She's got this little band around the mid waist there, and then there's her little body and her arms and stuff. So really cute. There's the feet. Let's see the back side of it. The back side of it has this little bamboo medallion on it, and it's the panda. How cute is that, y'all? There's the little piece there that I was talking about. It's like a little metal charm with a piece of bamboo on it. So really cute. It's got some little beads adorning it too. But I just think that this little pendant is really cute. And of course, like I said, it's gonna go perfect on my little skull bag. So I've just gotta find a way to attach it to the bag, but it's gonna be really cute on this little skull bag, I think. So very, very nice. I just think she's adorable, and I love the little panda on the side there. Really, really cute. And I love the fact that it's an actual panda if you wanted to flip it around, but the little face on it's really cute too. And the eyes actually move on these. You can move them around. So they're kind of cool because you can pose the eyes. They look kind of crazy, they do. But the eyes are movable on them. So these are really cute. And I can't wait to get my other ones that are coming, the You Found Me line that's coming. Those are really pretty. If you haven't seen those, look on the Popmart website and check it out. So got those coming. They should be here in a few days, and I'll unbox those for y'all. All right, y'all, so that is my little review and unboxing of this little Skullpanda, Lazy Panda from Popmart. I just think she's really adorable, and I can't wait to put her on my bag. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate that. Y'all don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a like on the way out. And y'all, I'll see everybody on my next video. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.